Google Chrome is more than just a browser. With the right settings, it can become a powerful tool for productivity while keeping your data private. In 2025, optimizing Chrome for these two areas is easier than you think. First, let's look at productivity settings. Using tab groups is a simple way to organize your workflow. You can group tabs by project, client, or topic, label them with colors, and collapse groups to reduce clutter. Combined with pinned tabs, which keep important websites like email or dashboards always visible, you can navigate faster and stay focused. Next, use Omnibox shortcuts to save time. Chrome's address bar can do more than search Google. Type @ followed by a website name to search that site directly, or perform quick calculations and unit conversions without opening a new tab. Keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen closed tabs and Ctrl+Tab to switch tabs quickly also boost efficiency. For privacy settings, start with cookies and site data. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and Other Site Data, and select Block Third-Party Cookies to prevent tracking. Turn on Send a Do Not Track request to further protect your browsing. Chrome's Password Manager is another essential tool for privacy. Enable it to securely save passwords, generate strong ones, and check if any credentials were compromised. Additionally, use incognito mode when visiting sensitive sites to avoid storing browsing history, cookies, or cached data. Finally, explore site permissions under Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Here you can control access to your camera, microphone, location, and notifications. Managing these permissions reduces the chance of apps or websites tracking you unnecessarily. By combining these productivity and privacy settings, Chrome becomes faster, safer, and more efficient for daily use. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more easy tech guides.